Alright guys, just taking my shoes off to get ready to film this next home. I'm Mitchell, Reese, your Southern Utah Realtor. Stick around and you'll see an amazing home. I can't wait to show you guys. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Like it says, give me a call or text if you're interested in this home or in any info of real estate in the whole Southern Utah area. Cedar City, St. George, Washington, Hurricane, all those areas around there. So like southwestern Utah. This is a home built by Interstate Homes, the Drake at Cedar Estates. We're out in Hurricane, and it's got 4 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms, 3,687 square feet, and it is for sale. So it's they have it listed at $2 million. And here is a good look at the garage, a good deep RV garage and a 2-car garage right here. This was one of the better looking homes in my opinion on the outside, and it just looks amazing. I love the stone brick and how that looks with the white and the black. But there's only a few more homes from the parade that will be coming out soon. Hopefully I can record a couple more. But I hope you guys enjoy this one. Has a cool gaming room up top. Has a nice casita. And a really nice home for lots of people to live in if needed. So make sure to like and subscribe if you're interested in seeing more content on my channel, especially of the parade of homes. But let's go ahead and get inside and show you what this house is all about. See you at the end of the video. Hurricane. Beautiful home, had some really nice features that I liked, especially that game room. Would have loved that as a kid. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed that. And once again, I'm a realtor in Southern Utah. If you're interested in this home, it is for sale for about $2 million. Make sure to give me a call or text, and we could talk about not only just this home, but just any real estate interest you might have in the Southern Utah area, Cedar City, St. George. And would love to meet with you and get going with you on a possible deal on that. And then make sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell notification so that you do not miss any more of my content. You can see what else is coming out. There's still more Parade of Homes videos to come, and I can't wait for them I can't wait to show them for you guys. And anyways, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for coming. Look out for those next ones, and we'll see you on the next one.